Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today we're making a breakfast smoothie for weight loss to lower cholesterol levels and to cleanse the blood. For this smoothie you will need some mixed berries, oats, coconut milk, and some ground cinnamon. Firstly, I'm gonna let my oats soak for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put in all my oats. I'm gonna add some water. And I'll let that soak. Okay guys, so my oats have been soaking for 5 minutes. It's now ready to add all my ingredients into my speed blender. First thing goes in half a cup of coconut milk. Next, a dash of cinnamon. After that, my mixed berries. Now that my mixed berries are in, I'm now going to scoop in my oats that have been soaked for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. So guys, this is my freshly blended up breakfast smoothie. It has a lovely pink colour. It's lovely and thick. I'm now going to serve it into my cup. This smoothie is very beneficial if you want to cleanse your blood and lower your cholesterol. Tell me in the comment section below where you're watching me from in the world. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.